The CE-CPUPDM is a universal pendant mount solution designed for back-to-back installations. It's ideal for applications where two cameras need to be pendant mounted from a single location. The design helps maximize coverage while reducing installation complexity and hardware clutter. Simply align each device to the mounting plate, secure it with the included self-tapping screws, and cam lock it into place for a quick, secure installation. Designed for rapid installation in commercial and retail environments, the CE-CPUPDM supports nearly any hole pattern up to 5 3/4 inches in diameter. The mount supports both center cable pass-through and side cable port devices for maximum compatibility. Installation is simple and flexible. The CE-CPUPDM mounts directly to all CP series telescoping camera poles or any standard 1.5" NPS female fitting. The result is a clean, secure, and highly versatile back-to-back pendant mount solution that reduces installation complexity and hardware clutter.